Good morning, students. This is your Shanghita ma'am, and I welcome all of you in my English grammar class today. Today, we'll learn about rearrangement of jumbled up words into meaningful sentences. So, sentence reordering is nothing but to check how well you are in structuring a sentence. The students will be provided with groups of words or phrases in jumbled up order. Then you will be asked to reorder or rearrange these words and phrases into meaningful sentences. The jumbled up words will not make a complete sense, but you have to rearrange or reorder or reconstruct these words or phrases in such a way that they must express a complete meaning. This is to judge the ability how students can reorder the same groups of words into a syntactically correct and complete the sentence. So, sentence reordering is one of the important chapters of English grammar. By going through the name, it is not difficult for you to understand the meaning of these words. You have already learnt it in your previous classes as well. It concentrates on the arrangements of a few jumbled up words. It is usually known by various names like rearrangement, or you can say it as sentence reordering, or you can say rearrangement of jumbled up words into meaningful sentences. Students, you already know that a sentence is a set of words with an exact meaning. A sentence contains of a subject, a verb. To be more precise, I can say this consists of subject, then it needs an auxiliary verb or a helping verb or a to be verb, then followed by a main verb, then an object, then the object. If a group of words doesn't express the meaning, then it can never be called a sentence, and you already know that. So let's look at some examples over here. Now students, let me tell you some group of words that are already written over here. Number 1, book is reading a Rohan. If I say this group of words to you, does it make any sense to you? I think it's not. But if I tell you that rearrange these words and make a meaningful sentence out of it, out of these words, then you will say that Rohan is reading a book. It is a sentence. So the first group of words, it is not a sentence, but the next line you can say it is a sentence. Why it is a sentence? Because it expresses a meaning, and another thing, it follows a certain pattern. At first the subject is written, then the auxiliary verb is written, it is the helping verb, or you can call it to be verb. Then the main verb is written, read, then the ing, because it is written in present continuous tense. So Rohan is reading. Rohan is subject, then the auxiliary verb, next comes the main verb, next comes the object. So it makes the complete sense. It expresses the complete meaning. So that is why you can call it a sentence. Okay? Now come to the next line. English as teacher the teaches. If I tell you that this is a sentence, you will say that no ma'am, it is not a sentence. Why? Because it doesn't express a meaning. It doesn't express any meaning. So if I tell you rearrange or reorder this group of words and form it into a meaningful sentence, then you will write it, the teacher teaches us English. Okay, here also you follow the same pattern. At first you write the subject, the teacher, it is the subject, then teaches because it is the It is the main verb. Teaches. Teach is the main verb, as teacher is third person and singular number. So that is why teaches. Es I have added over here. Then teaches us English. The object is written. The rest of the sentence is written. So a pattern is followed, and after that the meaning is expressed. The meaning is expressed and the sentence is written. So to write a sentence, you need to follow this pattern. At first, you have to write the subject, then you have to write the auxiliary verb, or you can call it to be verb or the helping verb. Then comes the main verb if it is required. Then after that, you end the sentence with the object. Okay. Let me give you some more examples so that you can understand the rearrangement of jumbled up sentences in a better way. Look at this bunch of words. Light up in every home, good. The lamp, books, magazines, and of knowledge. Obviously, this group of words doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. So you have to write in such a way that they make some sense, or they can express the meaning altogether. So you write it in a proper way. Good books and magazines light up the lamp of knowledge in every home. Look at these bunch of words over here, students. Can kill, electric shock, and how to write it in a meaningful way? An electric shock can kill. Next, number B. In every year, people this way die. So, every year people die in this way. Number C. Can kill even of current a small amount. Even a small amount of current can kill. Next, of electricity, water, an excellent conductor is. Read the, I would tell you that read the jumbled up words a few times so that the meaning can be clear to you. Of electricity, water, an excellent conductor is. If you read it two times or three times, twice or thrice, the meaning will be clearer to you. So you will write in this way that water is an excellent conductor of electricity. Next, perspiring therefore when wet never touch live air or. Therefore never touch a live air when wet or perspiring. This is the last sentence. Now look at the next group of examples over here. Bring festivals, life, colors to the human of a. Read it again for the clearer meaning. Bring festivals, life, colors to the human of a. Read it again. Bring festivals, life, colors to the human of a. I think the meaning becomes clearer to you when you read it more than once. So the first answer is festivals bring colors to the life of a human. Festivals bring colors to the life of a human. This is the complete sentence. Okay. Now next, many festivals celebrated in types India of are. I think it is quite clear to you. The answer is in India, many types of festivals are celebrated. In India, many types of festivals are celebrated. Now come to the number C point. These, Holi, some, Diwali, of, are, Eid, Christmas and. Okay, read it again. These, Holi, some, Diwali, of, are, Eid, Christmas and. How to write it? Some of these are Holi, Diwali, Eid and Christmas. So the passage is talking about, here we are talking about the festivals of India, which brings colors to the life of the human beings, in our life, in your life, in everybody's life. So some of these are Holi, Diwali, Eid and Christmas. These are for all of us. Come to the next number D. Festival Holi, the color is of. I think you have understood Holi is the festival of colors. Yes. So, see, Holi is the festival of colors. It is already written. Next. Celebrated India, it over all is. So, it is celebrated all over India. It is celebrated all over India. Okay, the meaning makes sense. So see, it becomes a passage on its own. Festivals bring colors to the life of a human. In India, many types of festivals are celebrated. Some of these are Holi, Diwali, Eid and Christmas. Holi is the festival of colors. It is celebrated all over India. Now next, look at some more examples over here. Peacock, beautiful is a bird. I think it is very easy for you to understand. Peacock is a very beautiful bird. See, peacock is a beautiful bird. Okay. Next, number B. Neck feathers covered is lovely. It's with. If you do not understand the meaning, read it. Read it more than once, more than twice. Read it until the meaning becomes clear to you. Okay. So its neck is covered with lovely feathers. Its neck is covered with lovely feathers. Then comes the number C. Green, blue, its and body is. Its body is green and blue. So the peacock's body is full of colors, full of beautiful colors. Okay. So that is why its body is green and blue. Glory, its tail long is its. Glory, its tail long is its. Its glory is its long tail. Okay. It's beautiful. Its long tail. It is, her beauty lies in its long tail. Okay. So its glory is its tail. Next. It national our is bird. So it is our national bird at the end. So it makes the complete sense. A peacock is a beautiful bird. Its neck is covered with lovely feathers. Its body is green and blue. Its glory is its tail. It is our national bird. Okay. So I hope, students, that you have already understood the rearrangement of jumbled up words into meaningful sentences. Thank you, students.